Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get our ride on. This is what we've been waiting for. Look at the bunch. Great bikes, time to have a great ride. Look at this, man, I'm loving it, dude. Everybody's geared up, ready to go, man.
Thanks for watching, guys. For all of you that joined me on this ride, it was great to ride with you guys. Until we ride again, be safe.
Here. My water's too low to fish. That's okay, that's okay. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Pull it out pretty quick.
There you go. Get your bag. Go get your bag.
Alright. Set down.
Well, all right.
I must have caught some moss, I guess.
Well, you got that algae, man. You got to be very careful with this.
Yeah.
You know, because it only takes a little bit of water in that sun. It just creates it, man.
It did for sure.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that is okay. You know what's so crazy? About a year ago on my Africa Twin, I went down similar spot. So don't sweat.
Oh, yeah, I got my collarbone 6 months ago.
See? Yep.
Yeah.
It's easy to do.
Well, like I said, I just took it too fast, I guess.
Yeah.
When
I go across these,
yeah.
I just coast.
Yeah.
I never apply any throttle, hardly any input. I just let the bike go.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Everybody made it out fine, and that's all that matters. You live and you learn, right? You live and you learn. Like I was just telling that gentleman, I did the same thing on my AT, man. It's just slick. You just have to be very careful. I find that it's easy if I don't have too much input. I don't use throttle. I just coast. Because the last thing I want to do is upset the bike when it's at its lowest point of traction. Yeah. What's another group? Himalayan. Heck yeah. That's one thing about rides, guys. When you ride with folks, look, you gotta ride your own ride. You gotta go your own speed. Do what you feel comfortable. You know what I mean? Never feel pressured, man. Never. Because ultimately, we all just want to have a good time to go home safe. You know what I mean? So that's what it's all about. Beautiful scenery, man. Get out here if you can, ladies and gentlemen. If you missed this ride and you thought about it, you debated, you should have came out here. It doesn't matter what you ride, how you ride. Look, we're just here to have a good time. Get out here, guys. We ready? We don't have to so much farther until we get to camp. And once we get there, we can break out some tools. So,
Offload some gear.
exactly.
Yeah.
So, if we can just limp it there, we take our time. Remember, ride your own ride. That's why you're here. We're good. Yeah, we'll be okay. Just trying to make sure everything's tied back down and everything.
Yeah.
So it's all good.
That's how you learn.
That's right. Here we go. Come on now, butterfly. That's okay. It's all right. That's okay. You all right?
Yeah.
Take your time. Hold up, Tony. Hold up. Hold up. You ready? All right. So if we can have a man over there, man in the back, we're ready. Oh, yeah. Oh. Whew.
We're in a good place here.
Yeah. Good recovery. Good recovery. Good recovery. It's okay.
Just short of 9,000 miles on this last March.
That's awesome.
That's Pat. We finished it up this year.
Good job. Yep. No. You okay? Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Guys, on this ride, if you're watching this, hey, never be discouraged, you know, because there's a lot of guys that wasn't brave enough to come out here and do what we just did. So be proud of yourselves. That is a major accomplishment. You dealt with sand, you dealt with nice sized rock that's also submerged by several inches of water with algae on top of all that, so it makes it much harder to navigate. So I'm telling you, you guys, you did great. Keep it up. Don't be discouraged. You know what I mean? You did good, man. Everybody did great. At the campground. Whoa, whoa, whoa. At the campground. We pulling up at the campground. Oxford Range. Okay. How y'all gentlemen doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Living the dream, living the dream.
I'm Derek, by the way.
Dan, sorry about that, man.
No problem.
Everybody got what they need?
I think so.
Okay. Awesome. All right, man. Nice riding. Nice riding.
Thanks.
Nice riding, John. Do you have everything you need?
Yep.
So,
Okay.
thanks for checking.
Of course. Ooh, I like that airflow.
Yeah.
Yep. Good airflow, man. Good riding today, gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to assess my damage here. My entire front fender is cracked over the top.
Oh, I see.
When I hit her pannier,
Yeah.
knocked her off, it cracked all of this,
Ah.
cracked this.
Ah.
I think this is bent,
Ah.
and that's on both sides.
I got you.
I may just be drinking beer the rest of the day.
Why not?
I don't know. I'll have to figure something out with this. And my front is not aligned anymore.
Gotcha. So we'll probably with those bushes, we'll just put the leg between our, and just.
Yeah, that's what I try to do, but I'm a tiny little dude.
You're okay. I do have zip ties.
I got a couple of big zip ties too.
Okay.
I have a couple of zip ties.
Okay.
So if worst case, poke a hole in that.
Really nice bikes, guys. Really nice bikes. Happy to see all you guys out there. Really nice. Very nice.
That's the first time I've done a river crossing. Have you ever been in deep sand like that? No. I just stood up and let the bike move underneath me. I mean, I've done some dirt biking before, but
I'm going to tell y'all right now, these roads are 10 times better than what they usually are.
oh really?
They just recently came in and graded them.
Are
There's-
they normally real?
Oh, very slick.
Really?
Very. I mean, yeah, it can get kind of rough out there.
Yeah, that's the way River Road does in Big Bend.
Yeah.
You'll be cruising
Yep.
along on hard pack,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden, you'll be cruising along 35, 40 miles an hour.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, like
Yep.
kitty litter.
Yeah.
Boom,
I know.
And you're doing that.
I know. It's, yeah, so I mean, believe it or not, this is probably the best time to come because one, it's not hot yet. They just recently graded the roads, number two, and you have people who, it's all good. You're not going to be stranded out here.
Yeah, there's enough for everybody around.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Heck yeah. If you forgot something, somebody's got it,
I got this. Anybody needs it?
See?
Anybody needs it. I got
Ready to go.
Got that good stuff that ibuprofen.
That's right.
I brought the lead.
There you go.
How old are you fucking guys?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm the same way, dude. I got the ibuprofen, the Tums. I got.
There you go.
Tom, Jesus Christ. Dude, I'm eating that damn Mountain House. I've never had it before, so we're gonna see what happens.
You want to ride? Okay. Yes, sir. Really? That's all right. Yep.
Mine's got a heater on it.
Oh, man. There you go. There you go. All right, let's roll. Go ahead, Cal. I ain't mad at you. Do your thing. Tony, I just did this last weekend. Yep. I know. I know. I literally just did that one. Good job.
We
Yeah, I'm stuffed.
Sunrise.